Here's a quick tip if you want to get your tires and rims clean. What I use is a gun cotton for most issues that aren't really embedded into the chrome of the rim, but I also use 000 steel wool, and I'll use tire cleaner. But anyway, I'm just gonna take a couple snaps here. So here's what it looks like before, and I'll take a couple of quick videos added to this to show the various stages. So first off, I'll spray the rim with instant detailer, get rid of all the dirt. So now I've got all the grease, grime, dirt off of the chrome. There's some little imperfections. I know it might be hard to see, but there is some little rust spots. There's some blemishes. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to try the gun cotton. And the gun cotton that I use is just Never Dull. So that's, I find, works really good. So we'll see how it is after the next treatment. So this is what the rim looks like after going over it with gun cotton and then wiping it off with a rag. Polishes it up pretty good, but you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but there's still some imperfections in the chrome. So there's still some there. You can just see it. So now I'm going to use the 000 steel wool with Autosol. It's just a metal polish, and maybe we can get some more of that pitting and sort of rust marks in the chrome to go away. We'll see. So that is after the 000 steel wool. We still have some pitting here that I'm not gonna try and rub out. Some of the chrome is just sort of peeled back a little bit, and that's why there's a rust spot there. But overall, the rim is now cleaned up, and it's a good looking rim. Some minor imperfections, but now I'm going to clean the tire, and for that I'm just going to use a tire foam, and then I'm going to go over the white letters with the 000 steel wool and just buff up the white so that it stands out and pops. And there's the final result. We've cleaned up the tire. We've got the white a little brighter. We've hit the chrome on the rim. We've brought the rim back as much as we can. And you can see that the end result is a nice looking rim and tire combination. And now I just got to do the last two tires on the other side.